Hi, superstars! Ready for the letter A adventure! Hi, friends! Today we're learning the magic of letter A. Here comes the amazing letter A. A says A at the beginning. Apple, apple. A again, A-N-T. And a can hide in the middle. C-A-T-O-E, cat. B-A-G-A-A, bag. A is in the middle again. You can read apple, ant, cat, bag. Yay! Apple, red and sweet. Ant, tiny feet. C-A-T, meow, meow, meow. B-A-G, take it now. A, you and me. Letter A, 1, 2, 3. Great job, superstars! See you next time!